Today, I'll walk you through how to manage bills and payments in Xero, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to keep your finances organized so you can focus on growing your business. To get started, sign into your Xero account. Think of this as entering your digital office where all your financial tasks await. Once you're logged in, head to the top menu. This is your control panel. Click on Purchases and then select Bills. This is like opening the drawer where all your pending invoices are stored. Now let's open an existing bill from the list. Imagine you're pulling out a paper invoice from a stack. As you review the bill details, pay attention to the supplier, the amount, and the payment status. These are the key pieces of information that tell you who you owe, how much, and whether it's been paid. If you notice any discrepancies or need to update information, don't worry, it's as simple as editing a document. Make the necessary changes to the bill information. This could be adjusting the amount or correcting the supplier details. Once you're satisfied with the changes, save your updates to ensure the bill reflects the correct information. From the bill details page, you can also review payment information and track outstanding balances. This is like checking your to-do list to see what still needs attention. Keeping an eye on these details helps you stay on top of your financial obligations. And there you have it, that's how to manage bills and payments in Xero. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Xero frequently updates its interface to enhance user experience. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.